Nabe Japanese Izakaya and Hotpot got its name from the Japanese word nabemono, a form of hot pot dish in Japan, or, more literally, communal food cooked in one pot. Starting at P588, sat your hankering for soup with their unlimited hot pot option, which includes huge portions of premium quality meats, assorted balls, vegetables, noodles, and your choice of soup base from their 16 different options. In the mood for something grilled on the side? Being an izakaya, you can have your fill of grilled skewered seafood, meat, or vegetables to go with your hot pot main. It is renowned for its Sulit Unlimited Japanese hot pot, and they introduced exciting new additions to their menu. Their rate is only Philippine peso 588 on weekdays mon. And Philippine peso 688 on weekends and special holidays. Friday sun, you'll get to choose from 16 different soup bases, 1 soup per head, unlimited servings of US graded meats, beef, pork, chicken, fresh meatballs, 26 unlimited premium hot pot balls, unlimited variety of vegetables, mushrooms, tofu, noodles and rice, unlimited servings of Japanese favorites, crab stick tempura, yakisoba. Some of the favorite from their hot pot balls are the mozzarella cheese ball, squid ink ball, fish cheese tofu, and crab ball. Kids will really enjoy the Hello Kitty, bunny, and stars-shaped ones. Customers can now enjoy the new Maki Sushi line alongside with their new menu items when they upgrade to 288 per head. Inclusions of the Plus Philippine Peso 288 upgrade are 6 new Maki Sushi, Nabe Roll, Crazy Maki, Ikara Maki, California Maki, Kani Maki, and Tempura Maki. Angus beef for hot pot, chicken teriyaki yakitori, butabara, chicken karaage, dynamite chicken, fried chicken wings, gyoza, tempura, gyudon. This new and expanded menu is already available across all branches. Banaa, Quezon City, Ayala Malls Vertis North, SM Grand Central, SM City Baguio, Sky Ranch Tagate. For more details and information, you can visit their social media accounts. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.